Lesson 63, page 107. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Innal hamdalillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah amma ba'd. Respected and beloved students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another lesson today. Insha'Allah, we shall be doing page 107. And this chapter, we are still on mud and stretching. In today's page, we are doing mud and stretching, but in most of the boxes, there are 12 boxes, and I believe in 11 of the boxes, you have two words. In every box, you will find at least one mud, one stretch. And in a lot of them, you will find two muds, two stretches. And in one box, there are three muds, three stretches. And also, also to keep in mind is that in some boxes you will even have a noon shadda or a mim shadda, which means we will have to do a ghunna, a nasal sound. So a lot we have to do, we have to keep in mind. We have to do a stretch. How many stretches? Could be one, could be two, could be three. And sometimes along with that, you also have to do a ghunna on the noon mushaddad or the mim mushaddad, on the noon shadda or the mim shadda. So a lot to take in. So please concentrate and practice. Inshallah, we shall start from box number 1, page 107. خطيئاتكم. Again. خطيئاتكم. Now, from box number 2 till the end, every box will have two words. Box number 2. باء بسخط. Remember, whether a box has one word, or two words, or three words, or four words, or five words, however many words the box has, you have to read all the words correctly. You have to read the words fluently, and you should not read in a way that it sounds whether you have stopped or paused. It shouldn't sound like that. Okay, it's a sentence. You have to read a sentence all the words in that sentence have to be read together. Again, box number 2. باء بسخط. Box number 3. جاءه موعظة. Again. جاءه موعظة. Box number 4. تساءلون به. Again. تساءلون به. Box number 5. In box number 5, there are two stretches, two muds, and one ghunna at the end on the noon shadda. في آبائهن. Again. في آبائهن. Box number 6. In box number 6, the first word has a stretch, the second word has a stretch and a mim shadda gunna. وَلَا آمِّينَ. Again. وَلَا آمِّينَ. Mina is also ya madda. Box number 7. In box number 7, the first word has a gunna and a mud, and the second word has a mud. فَلَمَّا أَضَاءَتْ. Again. فَلَمَّا أَضَاءَتْ. Well done. Box number 8. In this box, the first word has a stretch and the second word also has a stretch. وحلائل أبنائكم وحلائل أبنائكم. Box number 9. In this box there is a stretch on the first in the first word and in the second word. يا بني إسرائيل. إيل is يا مدة. Again. يا بني إسرائيل. Good, let's carry on. Box number 10. In box number 10, the first word has a mud and the second word also has a mud. آباؤكم وأبناؤكم. Again. آباؤكم وأبناؤكم. Box number 11. In this box, in box number 11, the first word has one mud, one stretch, and the second word has two muds, two stretches. بأسماء هؤلاء. Now, one thing to remember is at the end of the first word, بأسماء, the hamza should not be stretched at all because the hamza has a kasra. It should not be stretched. So read it quickly and move on to the next word. بأسماء هؤلاء. Okay, box number 12. In box number 12, in the second word, there is a mud, and then it follows another mud, and then it ends with a gunna because of the noon shadda. قال أتحاجوني, and it ends with ya madda. Ni. Okay, again. قال أتحاجوني. So the second word was a mud, another mud, and then it was a noon shadda gunna, and then it ended with a ya madda. MashaAllah, Jazakallah for concentrating, and please practice. Hear this video as much as you can and make sure you do all the muds and all the gunnas, and inshallah take care, look after yourselves until our next lesson. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.